Welcome to My Dream Academy. So myself M. Girivardhan. Here I am dealing with civil engineering subjects. Today we are going to discuss about TS-ECET 21-22 most expected questions from BMCP. So as you already know that BMCP, Building Material and Construction Practice, a newly introduced subject especially for 2022 ECET examination. So there may be a chance of getting basic questions from BMCP. So here some of the most expected and important questions regarding BMCP, building material and building material subjects. So coming to the point, so first question. So rarely in the recent examinations, if we see the questions, so many questions are from the match the following. Why? Because exam pattern is changed. So match the following. So many questions are coming from match the following. So first, see here match the following questions. These are all types of cements and these are all the uses. You have to identify. So first, rapid hardening cement. So normally rapid hardening cement is used for early removal of formwork. Rapid hardening cement is used for early removal of formwork. Means rapid hardening cement is used for early removal of formwork. Next, low heat cement is mainly used for mass concrete works. Low heat cement is mainly used for mass concrete works. Next, coming to quick setting cement. So quick setting cement means underwater. Quick setting cement is mainly used for concrete laid underwater. Next, coming to hydrophobic cement. So hydrophobic cement is used in storage under damp conditions. So very important question. This is rapid hardening cement, types of cement and their uses. Definitely there may be one question regarding this types of cement. And coming to second question, the detachment of paint film from the surface is. As every student does not concentrate more on paint, pointing, plastering like these questions. So those are all small questions you can answer easily, but you would not concentrate on that questions. So the detachment of paint film from the surface is known as flacking. So this type of questions you will see in examination. Why? Because important questions and new formed questions. Examination branch will think about new questions, formation of new questions for confusing students. Next, coming to third question, match the following constituents of brick. You have to see clearly whether they given brick or cement. Two types we have, composition of cement or constituents of cement, constituent of brick or constituent of cement. So we have to see clearly whether they given brick or cement. So coming to here, this is composition and this is percentage. Silica, lime, alumina, oxide of iron. So one side they given composition, another side they are given percentage, 50 to 60, 20 to 30, up to 5. So now one by one. So this is brick, right? So silica percentage will be more in brick. So brick, silica percentage will be more, 50 to 60% silica percentage in brick. So coming to lime is more in cement, not in brick, but here they given brick na. So lime up to 5%. So aluminium. Next, aluminium. After silica, aluminium is the another important composition of brick. So aluminium 20 to 30%. Aluminium imparts plasticity to brick. Another important question from aluminium is aluminium imparts plasticity to brick. So next, oxides of iron is up to 5% to 6% in brick. Next, coming to fourth question, for normal RCC, the slump of concrete should be in range of. So you never see this question in your BMCP books. So this is a framed question. And important question. So answer is 80 to 150 mm. If you have any doubts regarding these questions in My Dream YouTube channel, you can visit our YouTube channel and you can clarify your doubts. Coming to fifth question, which of the following increases the workability of concrete? Which of the following increases the workability of concrete? Simply, workability means the easy with which concrete can be placed compacted. So that is workability. So here they asked about which of the following increases the workability of concrete. So first option A, increasing aggregate cement ratio. Option B, using angular aggregates instead of round aggregates. Option C, increasing the aggregate size without any change in the mix of concrete. Without any change in the mix of concrete. Option D, both A and B. Both A and B. So when we will see these four options, so these four options are similar. Four options are similar, but only one will be the answer among them. So normal criteria of students is they will think both A and B is there, means okay, answer is both A and B. 90% of students will keep answer both A and B, but that's the wrong thing you are doing in examination. First read four options clearly, then one option you have to choose. That is correct option, means 50%. First of all, whatever option you see, whatever mind means first option, whatever your mind reads, that is the correct answer. So here, which of the following increases the workability of concrete means increasing the aggregate size without any change in mix of concrete. So here we are taking all confusing questions. So easy questions you will do, but confusing questions you will not do. So that's why we are trying you to provide best questions. Next, for carrying out tensile strength of cement, the percentage of water, here you have to remember percentage of water to be used is calculated from the formula. So normal consistency, first of all we have to know about normal consistency or standard consistency. From that we will get one value. So answer is P by 5 plus 2.5. So this is for tensile strength. So this is for compression. And this is for final and initial setting time, and this is 0.78 P for this one initial setting. This is that is final setting, and this is initial setting. So here in one question you are getting four questions. So that is percentage of water added for initial setting time, percentage of water added for final setting time, percentage of water added for tensile strength, percentage of water added for compressive strength. So in one question we are covering four questions for you. Next, the commonly used lime in whitewashing. The commonly used lime in whitewashing is fat lime. So 90% of students will answer hydraulic lime. 90% of students will answer hydraulic lime. So answer is fat lime. The commonly used lime in whitewashing is fat lime. So next, which among the following is correct? So nowadays statements, in form of statements also questions are coming. So first A, B, option A, option B they given. What is option A? Alumina presence in brick earth imparts plasticity. Alumina presence in brick earth imparts plasticity. Option B, if it is in excess, raw bricks expand and swell. What they given? Raw bricks expand and swell during drying and burning. So we know alumina presence in brick earth imparts plasticity. This is correct. But here they given raw bricks expand and swell during drying they given, but it is wrong answer. Excess alumina they given. What it does means excess alumina causes cracks. Okay, so answer is only A. Only A is the correct answer. Next, coming to ninth question, which of the following pairs regarding bogus compounds, compound cement are correctly matched? So very important question. Chemical composition of cement, chemical composition of brick, Next, bogus compounds. Bogus compounds also very important question. You will get 1 mark. So halite. First one is halite, billite, silicate, phyllite. Here they given shortcut names. Halite, chemical name. Halite means chemical name. So what is halite? Billite means tricalcium silicate. Halite means tricalcium silicate. Billite means dicalcium silicate. Tricalcium aluminate. Tetracalcium aluminoferrate. Tetracalcium aluminoferrate. So these are the chemical names. So in exam also he will give like this chemical names only. He will not give tricalcium aluminate, tricalcium silicate. Okay, remember that one thing. So coming to the question, which of the following pairs regarding bogus compounds cement are correctly matched? First, halite. So halite, billite, silicate, phyllite. So according to options, my wish, if I know 4th option correct, first of all I will go with 4th option. So phyllite will give poor cementing property. Phyllite will give poor cementing property. Why I am saying you to follow this means, sometimes you will get answer from bottom very fastly. Next, silicate. Next one is, silicate is maximum heat of hydration. Tricalcium aluminate has maximum heat of hydration. Next, billite. Billite is dicalcium silicate. Dicalcium silicate gives best cementing value. Best cementing value due to less heat of hydration. Due to less heat of hydration. And one more, last one is maximum strength, that is halite. Halite is maximum heat of hydration. So one more last option is halite. So remaining option is 3. So responsible for ultimate strength. Responsible for ultimate strength. So phyllite is nothing but poorest cementing value. So D, here I am writing answer D. Answer D. So next, this one A. This is A. This is D. Next, billite. Billite means this is B. This is B. Next, remaining option is C. So this is C. So like this, match the following questions. If we solve match the following questions, we will get 4 bits from that. So here not 1 bit, this is 4 bits. So next, part of brick which has half header face and half stretcher face is known as beveled closure, king closure, queen closure, bat. So king closure. Answer is king closure. Next, which of the following sedimentary rocks changes into quartzite by metamorphic action? So very important question. Very important question. Metamorphism. Metamorphism means by metamorphism the type of rock changes into which form. So depending upon that, one question will come in your exam. So listen clearly. Here they given which of the following sedimentary rocks changes into quartzite. Changes into quartzite. So shale they given limestone, gypsum, sandstone. So answer is sandstone. Answer is sandstone. Here limestone changes into marble. Limestone changes into marble. So you have to remember. So very important question. Metamorphism. Through metamorphism the rock is changed into which type? Means which of the following sedimentary rock, like that he will give. Igneous rocks also he can give. So depending upon this, one table will be there, you have to follow that table. Next, French polish. 12th question. French polish is made by dissolving the resin. French polish is made by dissolving the resin in oil, in water, in spirit, in turpentine. So answer is in spirit. Spirit means methylated spirit. French polish is made by dissolving 1 kg of 1 kg of French polish is dissolved in methylated spirit. Next, 13th question. A good building stone should not absorb water more than. So very confusing question. A good building stone should not absorb water more than 20%, 15%, 10%. Answer is 5%. Answer. Coming to 14th question. Arrange the manufacturing process of brick in series. Arrange the manufacturing process of brick in series. So you have to know first manufacturing process steps. If we have to arrange the process series. In series means see options: unsoiling, digging, weathering, blending, tempering. Option B, unsoiling, weathering, digging, blending, tempering. Option C, weathering, digging, unsoiling. Option D, weathering and digging. Weathering and digging. So every diploma student, so this is an easy question. He will think this is an easy question, but this question only he will do wrong. This question only he will do wrong. Why? Because he know manufacturing steps, corona batch, but our third sem subject he forgotten everything. He will think unsiling, digging. Next, okay, like that he will think. So answer is unsiling, digging, weathering, blending and tempering. So this is the manufacturing process of brick. So how the brick is manufactured? Series. Okay, in series we are arranging here. So very important question. Remember this question. Next, 15th question. Which of the following type of tile is used in kitchens? Which of the following type of tile is used in kitchens? So we discussed in classroom type of tiles, different types of tiles, and where we will use the types of tiles. So which of the following type of tile is used in kitchens? So in kitchens, options are wall tile, roof tile, floor tile, flat tile. So answer is wall tile. Answer is wall tile. Basic question. This is the basic question. Next, 16th question. Rocks formed from deposits of sediments due to weathering changes like sun, heat, snow, etc. is. So by seeing that question, you think question is big, but answer is very easy. So that is basic question from your first chapter, classification of rocks. So rocks formed from deposits of sediments due to weathering changes like sun, heat, snow, etc. is called. So IR means igneous rock, SR means sedimentary rock, both all. So answer is simply sedimentary rock. So by molten magma, igneous rocks are formed. Cooling or solidification of molten magma. So examples of igneous rock, example of sedimentary rock, both are very, very important questions. Next, 17th question. Which of the following admixture is added to accelerator? Which of the following admixture is added to accelerator? So options: calcium chloride, sulfur dioxide, both, none of this, means calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is added to accelerator. Coming to 18th question, match the following. So type of footing uses. See, our concept is covering 4 questions in one question. So this is very useful for you. Covering four questions in one question is very useful for you. If you read one question perfectly, you will get 4 questions, 4 answers. So type of footing and uses. So basic BMCP question. So without this, no paper will be there. So depending upon footings, question definitely they will give question. So type of footing, uses. So raft or mat footing, combined footing, isolated footing, spread footing. And spread footing. So in the match the following, if we match 2 answers correctly, 90% you will get answer. So first, raft or mat footing. So when footing area is of the foundation area, then we will use raft or mat footing. Next, combined footing. So when 2 columns are placed near by near, we will use combined footing. Under the lift also combined footing. We will use. Next, isolated footing. So many options will be like this only. In a sequence they will give, but whenever they given match the following, what you will think means, okay, first option 1 means A1, no, that is not correct answer. So your mentality will be like that. So isolated footing. When wall is subjected to single loading structure, isolated footing. Spread footing means simply for uniform distribution of load. See how I matched the question means sometimes options will be reversed, but to confuse you, he will give sequence options. A1, B2, C3, 4, like that 1, 2, 3, 4 options he will give. What you think means, why 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there, different options will be there na. So that's why we will go for another answer. So our mind will work like that in examination. So don't worry about that. If you know perfect answer, correctly answer it. Next, 19th question. The water cement ratio is expressed by The water cement ratio is expressed by. Normally what is water cement ratio? Simply definition is very important, so you have to remember that water cement ratio definition. And next, based on options, 4 options are given: based on volume of material, based on weight of material, based on density of material, based on percentage of materials used. So answer is based on weight of materials. Water cement ratio will depends upon based on weight of materials. Why? Because definition is weight by weight. Definition is weight of water to weight of cement, weight of water to weight of cement, according to definition based on weight of materials. So distemper is used on, distemper is used on, distemper is used on. So very important question. So this is repeating question. Repeating question means another competitive examinations. Distemper is used on A, plastered surface not exposed to weather, plastered surface exposed to weather, both A and B, all of the above. So whenever we will see all of the above option, so 90% students will keep all of the above. Why? Because we are very attracted to all of the above answer or both A and B answer. But we will not think why all of the above, why both A and B. To confuse us, he given like that, means here same question I written for you. Distemper is used on plastered surface not exposed to weather. Plastered surface not exposed to weather. Coming to 21st question. 21st question, identify the correct pair. So here he asked to identify the correct pair, not match the following. Identify the correct pair means you have to read 4 options correctly and you have to identify which of the following option is correct. First, lime. He didn't given lime, aluminium, iron oxide, silica. Just he given a chemical formula. So for your sake I written lime, aluminium, iron oxide, silica. Why? Because if I directly write CaO, so you can't understand the question. So for your sake I written CaO means lime, Al2O3 aluminium, Fe2O3 iron oxide, SiO2 silica. So some students may know, some students may don't know. Keeping in view of that, we have to write each and everything. That has to be reached to each and every student. So CaO lime. Next, control strength and soundness. Next, aluminium gives color, Fe2O3 responsible for quick setting, SiO2 imparts color. So here he asked to identify the correct pair. Identify the correct pair. So identify the correct pair. So what this is cementous properties. Cementing properties. So lime controls strength and soundness. Lime controls strength and soundness. Iron oxide gives color. Iron oxide gives color. So aluminium is responsible for quick setting. Aluminium is responsible for quick setting. Silica, where it is? So aluminium controls strength and soundness. Al2OC this one, iron oxide this. Okay, 2 times he given same option. Okay, so don't worry about options, don't confuse about options. So correct answer is this. He asked correct pair. Correct pair means from these 4 you have to select one correct pair. Next, 22nd question. Limestone is a type of. Limestone is a type of. So example questions are very important. Igneous rocks example, sedimentary rock example, metamorphic rock example. Foliated, unfoliated, stratified. Calcareous, argillaceous and calcareous, argillaceous, siliceous. So these types of rocks examples are very important. So limestone is a type of plutonic rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. So limestone is a sedimentary rock. Limestone, sandstone, etc. are sedimentary rock. So igneous rocks means granite, dolomite, trap, basalt, etc. will comes under igneous rocks. So metamorphic rocks are marble, genesis, slate, schist, etc. will comes under metamorphic rock. To confuse you, he given plutonic rock. 23rd question. The process of mixing, transporting, placing and compacting concrete. Compacting concrete is done in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes. So answer is 30 minutes. Answer is 30 minutes. Which of the following has more fire resisting character? Which of the following has more fire resisting characters? Marble, limestone, compact sandstone. All the above means compact sandstone. Compact sandstone. Next, 25th question, match the following. 25th question, match the following. From here I covered 3 questions for you. 3 questions. 1, 2, 3 questions. Apparatus used test. Apparator used test. So wicket apparatus. Wicket apparatus. All members are wicket apparatus is used for finding initial and final setting and normal consistency. Initial, final and normal consistency. So Lee-Chattery apparatus is used for finding soundness. Lee-Chattery apparatus is used for finding soundness. IS sieve number 9 is used for finding fineness of cement. So 10%, this fineness of cement should be 10%, residue should be left. Okay, here we covered 3 questions, very important questions. 3 questions we covered here. So here number is 25, here number is 25, but if we see our questions, that will come to 40. Why? Because match the following questions, nearly 6-7 questions are there. In each question 4 answers will be there. So these are the BMCP most expected questions. So everyone watch and subscribe our My Dream Academy. Thank you.